Welcome back friends, welcome to Like Crypto. Friends, today we are going to cover few news. Before that friends, please read the disclaimer given in the description box. So friends, if you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe the channel. And friends, if you liked our video and like our analysis, please like the video. So let's begin friends. The first news is friend that Grayscale Digital Large Cap Fund became SEC registered company. The fund joined the company's Bitcoin Trust and Ethereum Trust as reporting products. Crypto asset manager Grayscale said its digital large cap fund has now become a reporting company to the US Security and Exchange Commission. The fund joins Grayscale Bitcoin Trust and Ethereum Trust as reporting products. Grayscale also said it filed for 3 additional trusts to become reporting companies: Grayscale Bitcoin Cash Trust, Grayscale Ethereum Classic Trust, and Grayscale Litecoin Trust. Let's go to our second news, friends. So friends, our second news is coming from the UK, where Binance payments cut off by the cleared junctions. The decision was taken after the FCA said Binance is not permitted to undertake any regulated activity in the UK. A sad news for Binance friends. In the last few weeks, Binance is struggling. One of Binance's payment partner in Europe, Clear Junction, has suspended facilitating payment to crypto exchanges. The decision was taken in response to Financial Conduct Authority's decision that Binance is not permitted to undertake any regulated activity in the UK, Clear Junction said in a statement on its website Monday. We have decided to suspend both GBP and Euro payment and will no longer be facilitated deposits or withdrawal in favor or on behalf of the crypto trading platform, Clear Junction said. So friends, Binance is struggling with hard time, where few banks are restricting their people to not trade in their bank using their card on their platform. Let's cover a little bit market analysis. So friends, we can see in the upcoming days that Bitcoin may fall more, up to 25 or 22k. Friends, we can see here 200 and 100 days simple moving average cross can take place, which confirm that Bitcoin can move or go down up to 22k. We have seen in the last few weeks that Bitcoin is moving between 32 to 35k. Due to prolonged consolidation, popular indicators like the relative strength index are no longer suggesting directional bias. Most of the popular indicators is not able to indicate where will the market go, upward or in downward. However, a chart analysis of long-term moving price averages suggests more bearish ahead. Friends, long moving average price suggesting that their market can be more bearish in the upcoming days. The cryptocurrency 100-day simple moving average is about to cross below the 200 days simple moving average for the first time since May 2020. Friends, a similar bearish crossover is observed in 2018, April 2018, also in 2014, October 2014 and April 2014. The one observed in 2019 was followed by deeper price decline. You can see here friends, the one here death cross, and after you can see that 100-day and 200-day simple moving average that, or you can see friends, key crossover is about to take. So friends, we can see in upcoming days Bitcoin can be more bearish. Hope you like our video friends. If so, do like, and don't forget to subscribe the channel, friends. Thank you for watching out our video.